What is it really like to be a student at 5T Beauty Academy? At 5T, every day is a new opportunity to learn, practice, and grow. Students here are not only learning beauty skills, they are building confidence, discipline, creativity, and a future career. From the very first day of class, students begin hands-on training in real beauty techniques. They learn manicure, pedicure, aesthetics, facial treatments, skin analysis, professional communication, client care, and state board preparation. Every lesson becomes a step toward their future. Inside the classroom, students practice together, support each other, and grow together. Some students arrive feeling nervous and unsure of themselves. But little by little, through practice, hard work, and encouragement, they become stronger, more skilled, and more confident every single day. At 5T Beauty Academy, student life is more than just school. It is friendship. It is teamwork. It is dedication. It is growth. Behind every classroom moment, every practice session, and every service, there is a dream to create a better future, a dream to build a career in the beauty industry, a dream to change lives through beauty. This is the journey of becoming a beauty professional. Welcome to student life at 5T Beauty Academy. Learn, practice, grow,